Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So finally, very important updates coming forward related to TCS NQT 2026. So finally, next phase result has been out and interview mail out. So many of the candidates are getting. So you can say this is one of the candidates who have DM'd me earlier that whether I will get the chance for getting interview or not. I said he will get, and today he got the interview call. So this is the questions you solved. He solved numerical 10 to 12 out of 20 and rest guess and left another. You can go through it. Now for what reason students are getting? So students from Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Pune, Gujarat and other region are getting. So if you are the candidates who got the interview mail, first of all congratulations, and comment here. Comment your exam date and interview mail if you got, or so that other student will get clarity, because from you people only I got the clarity that for what reason students are getting. So those who have exam for earlier like 20th of April, 21th April, 13th, 14th April, they are also getting the mail. Again saying friends, if you haven't got, no need to worry, you have to be patient. Okay, you have to wait for some more time. Okay, and those who have interview for the first of all congratulations again. Now you have to work more on your projects, your skills, your resume and all those stuff. So I have already made a detailed video related to interview, so just go through those video. Okay, related to remaining results, again saying friends, it completely depends on TCS that how many students they wanna take and other things, but the hope you should be there. Okay, and related to other campus hiring, I have already provided updates. You can just go through all those videos. So the main thing which you should work on, especially the projects and especially the OOPS concept, and if must go through at least one latest technology like cloud AI, that will be really helpful for you. And related to detailed free preparation material, just check the link in the description. I have already shared the free preparation material that is helpful for you. Okay, so remaining result, again, if you have solved pretty much questions and if you have solved at least one coding question, then I think you will get the call. But yeah, little bit process slower, but you have to wait. Okay, earlier also they are taken around 1 month to just declare the result. This year for one or two phases they declare the result and also declare the interview and further recently. But yeah, आपको भाई wait करना होगा, because in MNC there are lots of stuff going there. Okay, so you have to be patient and you have to be good enough. But yeah, again saying, don't depend on just a single company. You should apply for other hiring. We regularly post lots of important job data on my YouTube channel. So currently Infosys form has been out and I already made a detailed video related to that, so you can go through that. And for some candidates also interviews getting postponed. So that's the reason I'm saying little bit process of slow, but you have to be positive. Okay, and you have to basically keep applying for off campus other tribe, because you know these are the limited hiring. Okay, now talking about the some important questions, so just go through our interview experience. So these are the questions that are students facing related to pillars of OOPS, infinite, for loop, Spring MVC architecture, SQL joins, API versus REST API, put versus post, create REST API, means what is REST API, and create REST API steps, two table you have to join. So means you have to go through the DBMS part especially and SQL part, that will play a critical role in your selections, and you have to go in detail, especially if you have been selected for the prime or digital role, because they are expecting something more for you. Again, it completely depends on interviewer, your luck and various other factors, but the main things you can do is just try to give your best. And especially HR question must prepare, because many of the candidates are pretty enough in HR question, means a technical question, but they are not aware of HR questions. So go through our previous material which I have already shared about the strength and weakness. And if you are the candidates who want to schedule your mock interview with us, then you can fill the form. Again saying, must participate in mock interview, either giving the mock interview to me or other people, must give, because through mock interview only you will get the clarity about the concepts, about the communication skills, about the things which you should work on, because the communication skill is very important. Okay, I have already taken the mock interview for more than 100 plus candidates and got the selections for around 45 to 50 candidates. So if you want to be one, then you can basically apply for the mock interview form. Okay, mock interview form in the description. Nominal price is applicable. Now the important points, again saying, utilize this time, whatever the gap timing you are getting, utilize these times, especially 5 to 6 days. These are play a critical role in your selection. And don't plan any what can I say, joyous things, or don't go to wedding and just waste your time. Means if you want you can go, but the main thing you should be focused enough for these 5 days, because once you will get or land a job, then you will be free enough to do hang up with your friends and other things. So best of luck who have exam. Koi bhi query, feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, Facebook, Insta, whatever platform you are comfortable with, you can ask your query. So milte hain next video mein. All the best who have interview. Thank you.